Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the console safe. Unplug both the power and any controllers, then wait at least 10 minutes so capacitors drop. Once done, remove the hard drive and faceplate. Use a Torx T8 and a flat tool to unclip the case carefully. Keep screws in labeled groups to avoid confusion later. You're doing this to access the heatsink and fan quickly. Faster access reduces risk of static or accidental damage, so lay parts on a soft cloth and prepare canned air and thermal paste. You'll now remove the fan and heatsink to address the usual culprits: dust and degraded thermal material. First, unclip the fan and use 2 to 3 short bursts of canned air while holding the blades still to avoid damage. Next, detach the heatsink and wipe away old thermal paste or thermal pad residue with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. Be thorough because residue impedes heat transfer. Then apply a thin, even layer of fresh high-quality thermal paste or install a matching replacement pad. Secure the heatsink back evenly. You finish by reassembling the console in reverse order, making sure connectors seat fully and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Once reassembled, power on and run for 10 to 15 minutes while listening for smoother fan operation and watching for heat reduction. This confirms improved thermal contact. If problems remain, troubleshoot. Measure fan voltage or swap in a known good fan, confirm vents are unobstructed, and consider external cooling or professional repair. Keep one key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.